Here, so this here is a Canadian storm, eh? No, we have a thunder and lightning storm going on right now. It's not obviously that dark. Vlogging in the middle of what? Well, then the light. It'll be fine, honey.
That's what he said.
Yeah.
Whoa.
See, I'm okay. There was the lightning over here.
Yeah.
And then thunder should be hitting any minute now. But they said that we were supposed to get thunder and lightning storms today, so it'll be good though, because here it comes. It's been louder than that. That was baby. Don't tempt it. Kind of reminds me of like Lieutenant Dan in Forrest Gump. You call this a storm? Do your worst. I'm not looking for shrimp. See if you can see the lightning here. It's really coming down there. I gotta work in this shit tonight. I'm not looking forward to that. Come on. And I can already hear all the Americans like, you call that a storm? This is a storm for us because we hardly ever get them, right? Come on. You can hear the kids in the bathroom. Show me what you got. So hope you guys are doing well. Ella's down here. Here's Ella.
Hi.
Xander, come here.
Xander, what did Mommy and Daddy tell you that thunder is? Tell the camera. What is it?
What did we tell you?
What is the sound of thunder? What is it coming from?
God's bum.
God's bum?
Whoa! Where'd you go?
Farting?
I got linked.
Did you?
Yeah, I go.
Yes, we told the kids that the thunder is God farting.
Yeah.
Come on, thunder. There we go.
Yeah, I got it.
So yeah, as it gets darker, hopefully we'll see more fork lightning and stuff, so I'll do a bit more then.
Where's guys?
Hope you guys are doing well. See you guys soon.
Guys.